What leadership traits do you look for founders or for teams when you make a decision to invest or not to invest?
Look, people talk a lot of crap about what they want to see in founders. You will hear a million platitudes about hustle. You'll hear lots of people talk about, oh, they'll walk through walls. It's all fine. These things are all true. When we look for founders that we want to back, I look a lot at this issue of intentionality. Why do you want to be an entrepreneur? No, I want to be an entrepreneur because some bullshit. Actually, why do you want to be an entrepreneur? It's almost like asking someone, why are you mentally ill? Like, why do you want to screw your own happiness? Because there needs to be real motivation, not to start up, but to survive. What drives someone fundamentally? And usually the most successful entrepreneurs, they have some tremendous, this is gonna sound weird to people, but they have some tremendous darkness in them. They have some tremendous pain. They have some void that they are filling by what they do. Maybe it's in their childhood. Maybe, right, it was the humiliation of growing up poor. Maybe it was the child that didn't perform as well in school because they had terrible ADHD or dyslexia and everyone thought they were stupid, right? That's the story of the founding of JetBlue in the US, the airline, right? Was basically this guy who was an academic failure who was like, no, I'll show you assholes who I am, right? Clearly, some deep level of mental illness that drives Elon Musk, rooted in a childhood that seems in some ways torturous. I think the truth is the most successful entrepreneurs are not normal people and shouldn't be. And so we really try to understand motivation, true, deep, psychic kind of motivation, right? Psychological kind of motivation, which is hard to assess, but we think it matters quite a bit. And then the other thing is, I think it matters a lot how people look at networks and talent, and also being very secure in themselves. One of the biggest failures we see again and again in startups is a CEO who needs to be the smartest person in the room on everything, in which case they will never hire people that are better than themselves in anything, and they'll fail.